Hi guys, welcome in or welcome back to my channel, Home with Christy T. As you can tell from the title of today's video, this will be part 2 of the I'm Dreaming of a Pink Christmas mini-series. Today I will take you along as I decorate my office in all things pink. As always, don't forget to watch the entire video and let's get started. And just like that, the Christmas rush has started, and the first thing we will be doing is assembling the pink Christmas tree. What do you do when you're decorating for Christmas? I myself like to put on Christmas music, but I know some people like to watch a Christmas video. Leave your comment down below. And now it's time to put on the lights. If you needed just one more reason to order this tree after watching my last video, then here it is. These lights come with multiple light flashing options, which I thought was really cool because in the past, I've always used traditional warm white lights, which only have the one setting. I will leave this tree linked down below for you, and don't worry if you live abroad just like me, it does ship. Question is, how do you wrap your lights on your tree? I myself like my tree to be full of lights, so I always wrap them in a spiral motion starting from the bottom. Also, I kind of have this thing where I do not turn the lights on my tree until all of the decorations are up. Is it just me? Am I the only one who does this?
On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear tree. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 4th day of Christmas, my true love.
I did decide not to use the rose gold shimmery bulbs just because I just didn't like the way it looked on my tree. I really wanted just super plain and simple, white and silver, so that's what I did. I just wanted to pop in and say, number one, happy holidays, guys. I know that Christmas is my favorite time of the year, and just doing simple things like decorating my home and just putting up my Christmas tree, putting up the lights, hanging up the stockings really just kind of helped me feel at home, even though I am far away from home. So if that is you this year, if you're far away from your family, I highly suggest doing something that feels normal, what you would normally do with your family back home, and just see if it makes you feel a little bit better this year. did pick up from Etsy. I left these linked down below in my previous video. If you have not watched it, I'll leave it linked up here. But these I will leave linked again for you guys because I highly recommend the shop. The prints were great. It was super fast to receive, and they're quality prints which you can print on pretty much anything. And this was the grand reveal.
I've been waiting all year for my Christmas gifts, making a list. Shiny, wrapped up in a bow, something just for me. Baby, you're my wish. What my heart is longing for now, what I really wanna see, what I really want underneath my Christmas tree. Getting caught up in the spirit, knowing that it's coming soon. Pretty red and green tinsel all around the room. Singing the old carols by candlelight, roasting chestnuts on the open fire. Every little thing with you just feels right, so right, 'cause Santa always comes at night. I've been waiting on this Sunday glow since last New Year's Eve, 'cause Santa always comes at night, Santa always comes at night. Moonbeams in late December always make me believe, 'cause Santa always comes at night, Santa always comes at night. Soon now, you won't be the one I'm waiting on when Santa comes. Seeing visions of Tiffany boxes blue and turtle doves.
And And that is going to be all for today's video, guys. I really do hope you enjoyed this pink series. And if you guys like this video, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below, as we are on a journey to reach 1,000 subscribers. And happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's, and I can't wait to see what this new year brings for us. See you next time, guys. Bye.